We are back on your screens with a brand new pattern. Whoop, whoop,
It's
whoop,
a launch.
It is a launch. So we have got a pattern for you in February, which is easy to sew.
Tick.
It is going to fit into your life and straight away going to be instantly useful, and you're going to use it every day.
Yes.
And it is the utility tote pattern. So we thought it was about time we brought in another accessory into your lives, because as much as we love clothing patterns, accessory patterns are so nice to sew. And I just love that you use them and see them every single day.
Yes.
And I love making practical things, so practical clothing, and I also love making practical accessories.
Yes.
So when thinking about this bag, we wanted to make sure it was as practical as it could possibly be.
Yes, and also it goes with all your outfits as well.
It does go with all your outfits.
Because if you're making all your lovely homemade outfits, then it's nice to have the accessories to go with it.
I know. Why not? Why would you stop at just clothes? So the utility tote is like a levelled up tote bag. So this is a pattern for confident beginners, and it has a couple of little details that are just going to level it up from your average tote bag. So the first one is we've got this double strap detail. So you've got a little short strap here, and you've got a looped round section of your longer strap, which just gives it a bit of something.
I just think it makes it look really cute, and it has a bit more of a design element, so it kind of a bit more visual interest.
Exactly that.
You want to see what's going on.
It's
Very
the
cute.
sort of thing that will make people think you haven't made it.
Yes.
I think.
Yeah.
Which is, you know, obviously we like people to know we've made stuff, so we can be like, oh yes, I made that.
Yeah.
But I actually like a lot of things to look very sort of ready to wear and slick.
Yeah.
And I think it adds into that. You've got this very capacious pocket on the front here, so this is big enough for a paper bag, your water bottle,
and
anything you need to grab quickly. It is completely lined, and it's got this nice little bit of the outer that folds over here. And then on the inside, shall I show on mine? I've got,
because I just want to point out, I've been using my bag quite a lot.
Yes.
We had to like bring the filming forward quickly because as soon as this was made, we were using them at our everyday lives, and you know what it's like, you get lots of stuff.
Lots, I know, we both had to empty these out this morning to show you. So on the inside it is all fully lined. You've got this lovely facing at the top, and then you've got another pocket, but these are 3 little pockets here.
But they're really, like, they're roomy, so you can put like a water bottle, like phone,
Yes.
like makeup, all of those, that's actually quite a lot of stuff in there.
A lot of stuff, yeah, definitely. They are, I did make sure they were a good size for like a big phone.
Yes.
So you can definitely fit your phone in there. So yeah, fully lined. And then just to level it up a bit, it isn't just a front and a back, you've got a shaped base as well. So which is this sort of soft oval shape, and that just gives your utility tote a bit of shape.
Yeah.
Really.
So it has that nice sort of oversized bucket shape.
Exactly. And not only do we have the pattern, we've also got some kits as well.
So if you like the look of mine, which is in this lovely, what would you call it, sort of like
Camel.
a
We've
camel,
called it.
a camel. Then we have the kits of this fabric with a floral lining, so a slightly different lining, and also a different option of a beautiful red here.
I know, I love this.
Really
It's so
nice.
rich.
And so this is cord, but it's kind of like a softer. It's a little bit more like textured, I'd say. So it has a bit more, I don't know, a bit more visual interest.
It does, yeah.
It's really soft and lovely. And this comes with a pink lining. With this floral
Gorgeous,
there.
yeah, nice cotton lining, and then we've added in some of these guys as well.
So we'd like with all our kits, you'll get everything you need to sew it up with your matching threads, but also with this kit, you'll get some of these little clips, which is fantastic for bag making. So use these instead of pins, and it just holds all your things together, especially where there's will be a lot of seams with your lining, so you'll get a few of these. Of these clips as well in your bag, and of course you'll get the printed instructions and pattern as well.
Yeah. All in one, ready to sew. But if perhaps you want to choose your own fabrics, obviously you can totally do that. You can get the pattern on its own. Fabric wise, we're very pro corduroy.
Yeah.
It's
you like a bit of texture.
Exactly, it's a bit of texture, it's a bit of colour.
Yeah.
It makes it look very rich, but also I think it has that nice mix of structure but also softness.
Yeah.
Like this is meant to be quite a soft, scrunchy bag. Like I can scrunch it up and put it in my bucket bag.
Yeah.
To take with me when I know I'm going to the shops.
Yeah, and then you've got
Then you got a proper bag.
I mean, it would also work in a denim, wouldn't it?
Definitely. Your denims, your canvases. You only need, if you've got a wider fabric, you need less than 1 metre. So it's very good for your stash, or maybe you've made some trousers and got a bit left over, things like that. You might well be able to get something matching. And for the lining, so in the kits we've used cottons, but I've also made versions with viscose as well for lining, and that is lovely and soft.
Yeah.
You just want something that's going to be able to withstand what you're using the bag for, I think.
Yes.
If you're using it in a light way, you can use a lighter fabric.
Yeah, but if it's gonna be lugging your shopping in, maybe not something a bit more durable.
That's it. And actually, well, that is not it, because the utility tote is not only available as a pattern, as a kit, it's also gone straight to Stitch School. So our Stitch School premium subscribers, don't buy the pattern, you can just log into your Stitch School account and have a look there. The pattern will be sat there for you, because we filmed a whole brand new workshop showing you how to make the utility tote from start to finish. And also with the added little bonus, which is in yours.
Okay, this is the one that you made, wasn't it?
Yes, exactly.
You get a zip pocket. So in the Stitch School class, Rosie will take you through exactly how to make an extra pocket. This is on top of all the other pockets that are there.
Just not pockets, so
pockets.
so you can have that little extra secure pocket.
Yeah.
And it's a technique that you can, the way that I've put it together is it's a technique that you can then kind of use in anywhere where you've got a bit of space on some fabric. You can then use this technique to
whack a pocket in. And it's always great to have a pocket, especially one with a zip. So yeah, put your valuables in. Oh, I've got lipstick in. Okay.
Valuables.
Don't want to lose that. But yeah, it's only, fabric-wise, it was just under 1 metre.
Yeah.
So if you have already, I don't know, like got some denim or cord or something left over from making your jacket maybe, then make yourself a matching bag,
please.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can find the workshop on Stitch School. So as I said, Stitch School subscribers, just have a look in your account. It has magically appeared for you, but you can buy it as a one-off as well if you don't want to subscribe to Stitch School yet.
Yeah.
I would say yet, because once you realise how good Stitch School is, you might want to subscribe.
Yes.
But otherwise, you can grab the kits. You can grab the pattern on its own. We have lovely pattern insiders. Have made some great versions, which hopefully will be popping up on Instagram soon. And to find those, and also if you want to share your own, you want to use the hashtag SOI Utility Tote.
Yeah, so have a look for some inspiration. Have a look on that hashtag SOI Utility Tote, and you'll see all the different versions that have been made and how people are using them. And yeah, if you've enjoyed this, then like this video, subscribe to our channel so you can see what other new things we've got coming out. We've got new patterns coming out, and also things happening on Stitch School as well. And also, if you also like our content, you can buy us a coffee.
Yes, well that would be nice, wouldn't it? That would be nice. That's exactly what we're going to go and get now.
Yes, we're going to go and treat ourselves to our coffee.
So I hope
taking our bags.
Yes, exactly. We'll see you in the car.
Yeah.
We hope you love the utility tote, and I really cannot wait to see your versions popping up.
Please share.
We'll see you next time.
Okay.
Bye.